My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of the online scam, which claims to be some sort of Windows Defender security notification or Windows Defender security warning. These pop-ups are in fact not related to Windows or Microsoft. They quote this fake support number 888-241-5768. However, you should not call this number because it is controlled by online hackers who try to give access to your computer, who try to persuade you to give access to your computer. Then these criminals may try to connect to your system. They may infect it even more and demand from you to pay money to get it fixed. So if you see these pop-ups, don't call this fake Microsoft Windows helpline number. Don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Such fake alerts may be the result of some adware to be enabled on your computer. First thing I recommend you to do is research the control panel and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them, uninstall them in a regular manner. I also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start researching your system to detect and delete other infections from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix this mess that may be taking place on your device and remove other malware from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.